This is Ajax, and I was asked about my recommendation for warming up for the back squat. To clarify, I do not use the back squat in my own personal training, but that doesn't mean that I don't program it and suggest it for other people. The warm-up routine I've used for over a decade with clients is very simple. You do one high-rep set of bodyweight squats, which here I am demonstrating. That gets blood flow to the legs, stretches out the tissues, the adductors, quads and glutes are engaged. And then you do one high-rep set, typically 20 reps with the empty barbell. And you groove your technique. You can emphasize the stretch. You can do these as fast or as slow as you want. And once you've done these 2 sets, your legs should be warm. Then you would start adding weight, typically doing sets of 5, 3, then singles, and you ramp up to your working weights. Read the caption for more details. Any questions or comments you might have, please post below.